Hello everybody, my name is Harun Gürcan. Today I will walk you through my Java Shapes project. This program allows a user to create triangles and rectangles, calculate their area, perimeter, and determine the type of the shape. For example, it identifies whether a triangle is equilateral, isosceles, and scaling, whether a rectangle is a square. The real-world purpose of this program is to provide a simple tool for learning geometry and performing calculations automatically, which could be used for students or anyone exploring shape properties. Let's talk about program's structure first. This program has 5 main classes. These classes are shape. This is an abstract class. As we see, we are using abstract keyword here. This represents any generic shape. In my case, it represents a triangle and rectangle, and we can add some other shapes as well, maybe circle and the other ones. Describable. This is an interface that defines a contract for describing shapes. Triangle. Triangle is a concrete subclass of shape that implements describable. As you see, triangle extends shape. This means is a subclass of triangle and implements describable, which is going to give interface. Rectangle is another subclass of shape, and is going to implement describable as well. Shapes project, this is the main Java class. This is going to handle input. As we see, the user is going to give a lot of input here, like side A, side B, side C, or if you are dealing with a rectangle, the user is going to enter length and width, so that is going to deal with input. It's going to create shape objects, as we can see here. It's instantiating shape objects. It can be a rectangle, or it's going to be a triangle. All right, so, but it's not going to be instantiating the from shape class directly, since it's an abstract class. And also, since this is going to be the main program, it's going to run the whole program. In the real world, triangle and rectangle are actual shapes, and shape represent a generic idea of a shape. So that's why it's an abstract class. Shape is an abstract class here, as we see here. And describable is going to ensure that all shapes can describe themselves consistently. And this is the code for describable. Let's talk about the abstract class. In this case, is shape. Shape class is an abstract class. I made it abstract because it doesn't make sense to create a generic shape without specifying what kind it is. Shape contains shared attributes like print basic info method. Alright, so I left methods such as calculate area and calculate perimeter abstract because so this is an abstract method and this is another abstract method because the formulas for these calculations differ between shapes. Each subclass must implement these methods according to its geometry. This demonstrates abstraction where shared logic is centralized, specialized logic is left for subclasses. Let's look at the interface, which is in this case is describable. This interface acts as a contract. Any class that implements it must define a described method. So any shape that implements it must define a described method. So in this case, both shapes are going to have described method. Both triangle and rectangle implement describable. Conceptually, this makes sense because every shape should be able to output its type, area, and perimeter. Using the interface ensures consistency across different shape types, separates the description behavior from the abstract properties of shape. Right, so let's continue with polymorphism. In Shapes project, let's find it. In Shapes project, I use polymorphism by storing all shapes in a single array list shape. All right, so even though the list contains different types of objects, I can iterate over it and call describe on each object. Each object responds differently depending on its actual class. For example, a triangle prints its type based on sides, while rectangle prints whether it's a square. This demonstrates dynamic method dispatch in Java. The overridden methods, the describe method we defined indescribable is overridden in both triangle. Let's find describe method. Yeah, here. It's overridden in triangle and also rectangle. So we can see it's overridden here. For triangle, describe calculates perimeter, area, and check if it's like what kind of triangle. If we can look at it, so we can look at different types of triangles here. All right, so this is describe method. And when we come to rectangle, describe methods defines if it's a square or it's a regular rectangle. If I want to extend my program, we can add new shapes. So in source, we can add new, and I can add another Java class. Maybe I can write this one as circle. All right, and after that one, it's going to be this circle is going to extend the shape and implements describable. Whatever we wrote for triangle in the beginning or whatever we wrote for rectangle in the beginning. So we are going to copy the code like public class. This time is going to be circle, extend shape, and implements describable. So that it can calculate the area of the shape and perimeter, and describe maybe the perimeter or radius or diameter of the circle, so that I wouldn't need to change any existing codes in the main class or interface. So I mean the main program shapes project, also describable, is going to stay the same, so that it's going to be just an extension. All in all, I used an abstract class which is shape, to centralize shared attributes and behaviors, leaving shape specific calculations to subclasses. I used an interface to enforce a consistent description contract across all shapes. I used polymorphism here, storing multiple types in one collection and calling the same method with different results. And we used methods. I used method. Overriding provides customized behavior for each shape. When I say method, is going to be describe method, and then I explained this one in triangle and also rectangle one. This design demonstrates abstraction, inheritance, interface, and polymorphism in a clear and practical way. Thank you for watching my walkthrough of the Shape project. Have a great day.